Hello, Numeric here. Today I have the Adventure Force Liberator shotgun. Well, at least looks like a shotgun. Specifically an Athaka 37 sawed-off shotgun. And I like it a lot because of this style. It holds 10 rival balls, or whatever off-brand you have, inside right here in the internal magazine. And, well, fire them one by one. I wish you had multiple. You also have these things right here. Of course, there will be a full review of this and the Sentry Mark II down there in my channel. But for now, enjoy.